And we're back with Cal shares our NMAX Maximus keyless issue, and this is part 2. If you're able to watch the previous video, ito na yung continuation. So same day, at around 9:30 AM, tinanggal ko na sa pagkaka-charge yung battery, and around 10 AM, kinakabit na ni James yung battery sa motor. Unfortunately, during the time, hindi namin makita yung susi ng motor. We even thought na baka nagkamali ng dampot ng susi ng bahay si V at ang susi ng motor ang nadala niya. We even texted and messaged V asking kung nadala niya ba yung susi. So finally, after ilang oras ng paghahanap, nakita na rin ang susi ng motor. And as you can see sa oras ng motor, 1:52 PM na yan. And so far, walang ibang gagastusin. Na-diskarga lang ang baterya ng motor, so charge lang talaga siya. And everything is working. Both motor gumagana na. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos.